In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more accurate answers in Grok AI, Pro Tips 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. You can use it without an account, but logging in is helpful because it saves your conversations and preferences, so you can pick up where you left off and keep your settings consistent across sessions. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok chat interface. This is where you'll type prompts and review responses. Keep an eye out for any research or search options that may appear. We'll use those in a moment. To get more accurate answers, focus on being specific and structured. State exactly what you need, set clear constraints, and explain the context. For example, specify the audience, the scope, the format you want, and any must-include details. Ask Grok to cite verified sources and include URLs with publication dates. If the first answer isn't perfect, don't start over. Iterate. Point out what was missed, add details, and ask it to refine. For research-heavy topics, turn on deep search if it's available, and have Grok separate confirmed facts from assumptions so you can spot uncertainties quickly. Let's sharpen your prompt engineering. Be explicit about your goal and desired output. Instead of a vague question, frame a task. Summarize X in a 3-paragraph brief, include 2 citations, and end with a 1-sentence takeaway. Provide context like definitions, data ranges, or sample inputs, so Grok doesn't have to guess. When the reply is close but not exact, break the request into smaller steps and iterate until it matches your needs. Leverage Grok-specific features whenever you can. Use deep search for topics that require up-to-date or authoritative references. Request source verification by asking it to prefer official publications, encyclopedias, or peer-reviewed journals over informal posts. Always demand citations, including working links and dates, so you can verify claims. Control the response style and behavior to reduce ambiguity. Ask Grok to label sections as high confidence or speculative. In settings, customize, set the tone and format you prefer, concise, formal, or explanatory, so the outputs are consistent. Finally, follow technical best practices. If the conversation drifts, summarize the key context or start a fresh chat. For math or code, ask Grok to show steps, reference formulas correctly, and use LaTeX for precise notation. When structuring complex inputs, organize them with clear headings or simple tags so the model can parse each part correctly. Apply these tips together, and you'll see a measurable jump in accuracy and usefulness.